Hi, this is your host, Naomi.
I'd like to show you the top 5 attractions of Perth, Australia. Number 5. Perth Skyline. Founded in 1829, Perth is the largest city in Western Australia. It has a great skyline, which looks particularly beautiful on a clear day. Number 4. Swan Bell Tower. Overlooking the Swan River, this fascinating tower has become an icon of Perth. The unique structure draws visitors from all over the world. Number 3. Supreme Court. The highest court in the state of Western Australia has wonderful architecture. Number 2. St. George's Cathedral. A beautiful cathedral located in the heart of the city. Built in 1888, the remarkable structure has been made using handmade bricks. And number 1. Kings Park. Perth is a city of parks. Among the most well-known is Kings Park. Besides having striking landmarks, the park offers excellent city views.
Keep watching our travel video series. See you next time.